This is how I label my pack outs. I got a vinyl cutter, it's kind of like a Cricut, and then I just made the stickers of what's in the box. So here's the vinyl cutter that I have. I'll leave a link down below. So here's the front, sides. This lets me know that this is my electrical box. Whenever I gotta do electrical work, I just bring this box, and it has testers and everything for electrical wire strippers and all that stuff in there. If I had a plumbing box, I'll put like a faucet with dripping water or something. Cordless and corded with Sawzall blades, and this is a paintbrush container. Works great. You know what that is? Hammer drill. Bunch of bits. Here's what I have. A brad nailer. Look at it. You know exactly what's in there. This is for my mechanic work. My 3/8 wrenches and stuff. I didn't label that one yet, but you get the gist of it. Anyway, hope this helps you out. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Peace.